What is good, family? It's your boy Ayem, and this is Ayem Sneakers. In today's episode, I will show you how I style the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. If you haven't yet already, or if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be the first one to get notified when I drop a new video. And you can also find me outside YouTube on Facebook and Instagram. All my social links will be included in the description box. And please do me a favor by smashing that like button because it helps the channel to grow. And with all that being said, let's go. I'm not a huge fan of the Jordan 3 silhouette in general, but I can't resist with these bad boys. And let's see how I style them. Make sure to check as well the unboxing and detailed review I did by clicking the link in the upper right corner of your screen. I will also include the link in the description box. Please note that the outfit ideas that you will see on this video may not be good for everyone. We do have our own unique style, and I completely understand if you will disagree. Just let me know in the comment section down below how you style yours. And without further ado, let's get styling. For the first outfit, I will call this as the baller style. Starting with this Dream Team shirt from KOTC or Kings of the Court PH. This shirt is so dope, especially the print on the back saying there's a new sheriff in town. Again, a KOTC Dream Team Swingman mesh shirt is a clean match for sure. I always choose an above the knee length for a more relaxed fit and comfort. A ruby Glen check unstructured hat from MNLA is the perfect icing on the cake. I choose this hat to create a contrast in the overall outfit. Of course, the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. I am surprised that the Jordan 3, especially the Reimagined, looks so good on shorts. Of course, don't forget to accessorize like this black G-Shock watch. Again, all the information on this outfit will be included in the description box. I will call this second outfit as the Pregame Style. Starting with this oversized vintage tee in beige from AB Clothing. I like the fit of this tee because it is very relaxed and lightweight. Partnered with these Sebastian Studios abstract pants, which is made up of premium cloth. I like the oversized fit of these pants. Adding this H&M Overshirt in deep red. This is a good combo when you like to elevate your casual wear. The deep red color of it makes it more versatile in my opinion. Of course, the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. I just love how the abstract or leopard pattern of the pants complements with the elephant print of the shoes. To complete the vibe, Chicago Bulls Pro Crown Fit Snapback Cap or Snapback Shadow Cap. You can't go wrong with Bulls cap when wearing Jordans. Of course, don't forget to accessorize like this gold necklace. Again, all the information on this outfit will be included in the description box. I will call this third outfit as the cozy outfit. Starting with this ash gray towel terry long sleeve tee from MNLA. A very cozy, comfy, and relaxed one. Then a steel 7-pocket twill lounge pants from MNLA as well. It is one of my favorites. It is because of the nylon texture that feels premium. Of course, the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. The different shades of gray of this outfit complement from top to bottom. This time, I used the Chicago Bulls vintage cap, and this will definitely seal the whole outfit. Don't forget to accessorize like this gold necklace. Again, all the information on this outfit will be included in the description box. I will call the last or fourth outfit as the MJ fanboy. Starting with this MJ's bootleg tee from Vibe with the Legends. It is very classic and I like the 3 MJs on the shirt wearing black, red, and white Bulls uniform. Then a lunch hem straight pants from Never Seen Clothing. This is a straight cut lunch pants with long string which gives more aesthetic. Of course, the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. The straight cut of the pants allow you to show the iconic Jumpman of the shoe, and this will emphasize or put focus on the hits you are wearing. To complete the Chicago vibe, I wear this Chicago Bulls Pro Crown Fit snapback cap. Its off-white vibe perfectly matches the shoe. Lastly, don't forget to accessorize like this gold bracelet and Nixon watch. Again, all the information on this outfit will be included in the description box. Like I said earlier, I can't resist copying this even though I'm not a huge fan of the silhouette in general. The Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined is a must cop in my opinion, and I hope this video helps you to find some outfit ideas on how to pull off these bad boys. And that's pretty much all about this episode. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and always remember, cop what you want, rock what you love. See you on the next one. Peace, God bless, hanggang sa muli.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and